The latch system helps to make installation of your forward-facing car seat easier. Proper car seat installation is one of the most important ways to ensure that your child is safe while riding in a vehicle. Locate the latch anchors in your vehicle seat. Attach the straps on the car seat to these anchors and tighten. Now, using your vehicle owner's manual, locate the tether anchor. Connect the top tether strap found on top of the child seat to the tether anchor. Be sure to properly position the harness on your child. Buckle the harness and adjust until snug. Place the chest clip at armpit level. You're now ready to go, knowing your child is safe and secure. See the manufacturer's guide for more information. Anchor, tether, latch.